Okay, this is our fetal pig, and these are the hairs. You can see them. They're pretty good. You can see them pretty close up, yeah. Some longer ones and some shorter ones are all around. There's a lot around the eyes. The skin is most like a human skin. You can see some around the nose. Over here, there's hair all around the body, even on the hooves. There's even some hair on the ears and the rest of the body.
And its eyelids.
Yeah, I got the eyes. Okay, so this is the mouth. I can't really see inside. It doesn't have really any teeth yet, but you can see like the little taste buds on the side of the mouth. And then here we have the hoofs, and you can still see there's hair pretty much everywhere. And then
this right here is the umbilical cord, which is attached.
The umbilical cord. This is what is attached to the mom, so we can get all the nutrients.
Through the placenta.
And then there's hair on the tail.
Anus, scrotum.
And the body cavity. We have the. Alright, now we're going to go over the digestive system, the circulatory system, endocrine system, reproductive system, and respiratory system. And here's the spleen. Right here. You can see the scrotum. It's kind of like these sacs on both the sides. This is the left and that's the right. And this is the penis because this is a male pig. Okay, so after we took out the organs, we're left with both the kidneys right here, and it's better to look like two little kidney beans. Okay, so this green tube right here is what connects the large intestines to the rectum to digest food.
Okay, there's a better picture or video of the trachea. Runs up here. Better picture of the heart, which the apex is right here. Coronary artery runs through the middle. A better view of the lungs, 4 lobes. 4. And then the intestines down here. The darker ones is the large intestine, and the coiled up ones is the small intestine. This little worn thingy was attached to the umbilical cord.
We have the liver, which has 3 lobes, and it's all right here. And then underneath the liver, we have the gallbladder. And then this little vein is the which attaches the umbilical cord. And then we have the stomach, just this whole big, yeah, this whole pouch. You can see under it. This is the large intestines, all this right here. It kind of had like a greenish color to it. It's all the large intestines. Here's all the small intestines. So you can see there's a lot more of those. All over here. The small intestines. And then if we come down here.
Okay, this is a small intestine. A piece of it we took out. And this is the stomach with the spleen on the side. We're gonna open it. Here's my knife. It's a lot of fluid inside. It's like a cottage cheese. Okay.
show them the lining inside of the stomach.
Show them what?
Like the lining inside of the stomach.
Oh, I can't even see them. Okay. This is the inside of it. That's like a little fuzzy feeling.
The heart, right here, and the lungs. There's 4 lobes to the lungs. And then, well, okay, and this part right here is a rib cage, and if you can see where we cut, you can see the rib bones right here and right here, and there's one right here. Okay, so we took the heart out of the body cavity, and these are some parts. This is the left ventricle, right ventricle, the coronary artery, the left auricle, right auricle, and right here we have this long tube. We have the pulmonary artery, and right here you can kind of see the little opening. This is the left subclavian artery right here, and right here we have the bronchiocephalic trunk, which is this opening right here. Alright, so we cut the heart open, and these 2 structures right here is the left ventricle. This is the right ventricle just cut open. We have the aorta, which is right here, and then we have the pulmonary arteries right here and right here, these 2 little openings, and the bronchiocephalic trunk, which is right here and right here. And then we have the right auricle and left auricles on the outside, and then we have the right atrium, left atrium, and left atrium, and then right in the middle, which is right here, we have the foramen ovule.
The foramen is usually helpful for the fetus. It lets oxygenated blood from the placenta get circulated faster, and the foramen normally closes up once the pig gets birthed, or the fetus.
And here is a closer look at a fetal pig's heart. And as you can see, you have the right ventricle, right atrium, left atrium. Here's the aorta, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, the pulmonary veins right here, the pulmonary artery is this big thing right here, and you have the pulmonary valve. And it is a 4-chambered heart. Okay, here's a diagram of the blood moving through the heart and the body. And as you can see that the rich oxygen does not mix with the poor. And it is a 4-chambered heart. And it goes in the right atrium to the left ventricle, and then pumped to the lungs, and then back to the left atrium to the left ventricle, and then pumped to the body and starts over. Okay, so this is the pig's brain. We took it outside of the body cavity. This is the longitudinal fissure. This is the cerebrium, and the cerebellum is on this side, and then we have the frontal lobe, parietal and occipital lobe, which is in the back, and then we have inside, what are these called?
Olfactory bulbs.
The olfactory bulbs, which fit in perfectly. You can see where they came out right here, and if you see inside the body cavity, you can see right there. This is why the pig has such a great sense of smell. And some other sensory organs are the eyes, so it can see, and then the hair, and the nose.